Hello everyone, today I'm going to make Cambodian style pickle vegetable and spicy chili sauce which is good to serve with chicken rice and barbecue meat. So let's start together. First, thinly slice a carrot, cut it into flower shape to make the pickle look more pretty, but you can just cut it in a normal shape as it is. Thinly slice the radish. I'm using Korean radish which looks so big and cute, but Chinese radish or Japanese radish is fine. For this pickle, make sure to cut all the vegetables thinly so it's easy to absorb the juice and it gets pickled quicker. And then slice cucumber. Julienne some carrot. This carrot will make the pickle look more and more pretty. This is around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Thinly sliced chilies, and I'm using red one, but if you don't like spicy, it doesn't matter, just skip it. And now, thinly slice the garlic and shallot. If you're afraid the smell from raw garlic, reduce the amount of it from 4 cloves to 1 or 2 cloves. Last, let's make the seasoning sauce. We need 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, you can use lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine everything well. For this sauce, it's so easy to remember. You just need to measure all the liquid equally. Put in the sliced garlic and shallot in the sauce, stir it well and let it sit in the sauce for around 4 to 5 minutes. It will reduce the strong smell from raw garlic and shallot. 5 minutes after, pour all the sauce that we made into the vegetable and mix it well with your hand. And that's it. You can keep it in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Now I'm going to make spicy chili sauce along with ginger flavor. First, you need to chop some chili. Use a lot of chili if you love spicy. And then roughly chop some ginger. This is around 2 tablespoons of ginger. It is very important ingredient. It gives the authentic smells and taste to the sauce. Last but not least, chop some garlic. For the 3 ingredients, you don't have to chop it finely because we're going to grind them in the machine. So don't worry about chopping, just roughly chop through everything. For the seasoning, we need 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and all chopped ingredients like chili, ginger, and garlic. If you don't want to use vinegar, you can use lemon or lime instead. And that's it. You can keep it in the refrigerator up to 1 week. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video.